Snail Mucus is one of the best innovative beauty ingredients that you can put on your face. It was introduced by the Korean cosmetic brands and is now loved by all around the world. It is packed full of elastin, hyaluronic acid, protein, glycolic acid, and many more that work as wonders to your skin. So we came up with the 6 best snail repair creams that will provide amazing benefits on your skin. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Mizon Snail Recovery Gel Cream is a miracle for people with oily skin that is worthy multi-purpose snail mucin moisturizer. Its gel formula cream is water-based that is ideal for oily skin and can be used easily in daytime without making your skin look cakey. It contains hyaluronic acid that helps to moisturize and soothe skin all day long. And the green tea extract helps to protect and soothe skin from environmental aggressors. The other skin-friendly ingredients improve the skin's aging factors, repairs, and heals the skin. The Mizon Snail Recovery Gel Cream is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. After going through several reviews, it is a must-have moisturizer for people with oily skin that does not leave your skin greasy. But some people face terrible breakouts and do not see much differences on healing their skin. It's time to rate this Snail Repair Cream. The TONYMOLY Timeless Ferment Snail Cream is our next favorite snail repair cream that is also loved by the makeup artists and beauty editors due to its benefits. It is enriched with 70% gold fermented snail mucus that leaves you a brighter, more even looking complexion and reduces the appearance of aging. It is formulated as an ampule gel and lecithin emulsion cream that increases the firmness and texture of your skin. Its other ingredients like allantoin, glycolic acid, collagen, and elastic work on reducing the appearance of dark spots and fine lines while improving the elasticity of your skin. The TONYMOLY Timeless Ferment Snail Cream is one of the most reviewed snail repair creams by various beauty experts, and it earned a good number of reviews and ratings from the users on Amazon. According to the reviews, the price is quite high but works great on skin, giving you a moisturized, glowy skin. It's time to rate this snail repair cream. The COSRX Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream is a wonder for sensitive and acne-prone skin, as it contains more of the snail power and minimal of other ingredient products. It is made of all-natural domestic 92% snail secretion filtrate that helps to promote healthy, rejuvenated skin and prevent aging. The Snail Repair Cream contains collagen that triggers cell turnover and elastin that firms your skin, diminishes the appearance of aging, and refines the texture of your skin. All the ingredients are relatively low for the acne and irritant scale that won't cause reaction for acne-prone and sensitive skin. The COSRX Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. The review says it all. This affordable snail repair cream is just a blessing for sensitive skin with no fragrance and no stickiness. Though, besides all positive feedback, some users were not satisfied with it. Time to check out the ratings. Our next favorite snail repair cream is the YEOUTH Day Night Moisturizer. It's a miracle product for people with dry skin as it contains hyaluronic acid that has the ability to hold 1,000 times its weight in water. The snail mucin naturally produces hyaluronic acid, and the moisturizer has additional doses of hyaluronic acid to keep your skin moisturized, making it the ideal snail cream choice for people experiencing flaky skin. It also contains green tea that is full of good antioxidants and helps protect skin against free radicals. And it has peptides that help to stimulate the production of collagen, giving you a youthful appearance and a glowy complexion. The combination of all of these ingredients helps to moisturize your dry skin. The YEOUTH Day Night Moisturizer is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. After going through the reviews, people with dry skin, especially in winter, are very satisfied with the product. Some users with oily skin are also happy with the result, but some complained it led to breakouts. It is time to rate this Snail Repair Cream. If you are looking for cream that will actually fade away your stubborn acne scars and blemishes, the Mizon Snail Repair Cream is the one for you. It has healing and antimicrobial properties and keeps your skin hydrated. It is formulated with 92% snail extract that hydrates skin and helps reduce the appearance of acne scarring and dark spots, treat fine lines, and soothe sunburns. It has antimicrobial that is great for acne-prone skin. Also, it's packed with skin-friendly antioxidants, proteins, glycolic acid, and elastin that helps to brighten skin tone, improve signs of aging, fade post-inflammatory and hyperpigmentation marks, and smooth your skin. The Mizon Snail Repair Cream is one of the most reviewed snail repair creams on Amazon, Walmart, or Target. It earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from its users. According to the reviews, it helps to remove acne spots and skin flaws. It hydrates skin instantly and effective for acne-prone skin and combination skin. But look for the original products, as many people complained receiving fake products on Amazon. And it is not ideal for dry skin. It's time to rate this Snail Repair Cream. If you're suffering from eczema, the Ceuticals Anti-Aging Snail Repair Cream is the right choice for you. That comes with a high concentration of snail mucin. It's comprised of 97.5% snail mucin extract that is pure snail slime. It brightens up your skin and evens out your complexions in only a couple of days. The formula is enriched with shea butter to moisturize your skin. It also contains aloe vera that helps to soothe skin, jojoba oil to balance, and vitamin E to protect from damages caused by free radicals. The hyaluronic acid and peptides in these creams help to improve the elasticity and tighten your skin. This Snail Repair Cream works great for dry skin, hyperpigmentation, and acne-prone skin. The Ceuticals Anti-Aging Snail Repair Cream is one of the highest-selling snail repair creams and is also featured in Korean beauty products. And it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews from its users, it saved many of their skins from eczema, dark spots, and fine lines, and it is great to wear under makeup, though some users complained about having allergic reactions. It's time to rate this Snail Repair Cream. Let's check out the rating for Snail Repair Cream. So these are our top pick Snail Repair Cream. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.